Hello traders, I am showing you my profit so you can understand how much I have made using this strategy. You can also use same strategy and make money. Let's go to the strategy. So today I'm going to share with Forex best strategy. So we open gold pair. In M30 time frame. So this strategy we need volume divergence indicator. With default setting, volume divergence indicator. Signal bear side with market cross middle line downward. Then we take sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. We set stop loss previous high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. Volume divergence indicator signal bull side with market cross middle line upward. Then we take buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation, but we wait for market cross middle line upward. Then we take buy trade. Here is market cross middle line upward. We place buy trade. We set stop loss previous low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.